Appsmith is an open-source low-code platform that streamlines custom application development, deployment, and maintenance. Let's set up the product in your AWS account. You can find the link for the developer guide below in the description. And also you can find the developer guide under the additional resources section of the product page. If you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, you can continue to set up the product. To begin with, click the View Purchases Options button. After subscribing, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click on Continue to Configuration. Click Launch with CloudFormation. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Keep the AMI ID as it is. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Provide a public domain name for domain name. Choose an instance type, recommended is T3 large. Select your preferred key name. Set SSH location as 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CIDR block and keep VPC CIDR block as it is. Click Next. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Click Submit. Afterward, you'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. After CloudFormation is created, navigate to Output tab, then click Dashboard URL IP. Give necessary details and click Continue button. Read and select suitable tabs and click Get Started button. You can connect a data source now, or click Skip to do it later. Click the Settings icon and go to Instance Settings. From there, you can set up a custom domain name for Appsmith. We can update DNS, copy the public IP labeled Public IP in the Outputs tab. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the correct hosted zone. Click on Create Record and enter the domain name. Paste the copied public IP address into the value text box and click Create Record. Copy the domain name. Paste the domain name in Custom Domain section. Click the Save and Restart button. The server will restart. After that, you can access Appsmith using domain name. Log in your previous credentials. Enjoy Appsmith.